Welcome to the Virtual Strategist YouTube channel. My name is Jay Sturley and I'm a lead strategist with OnStrategy. You are most likely used to seeing Erica Olson, OnStrategy's Chief Operating Officer, recording these videos, but I am doing a series and been invited to do a series on leadership principles and skills. And so today's whiteboard video is going to be on the 6 essentials to leading amidst change. So let me begin by saying this. Change is inevitable, but success is optional. I'm going to say that one more time. Change is inevitable, but success is optional. And whether or not you succeed does have a lot to do with your leadership. And the best leaders and those that succeed, they are proactive. They're out ahead and they're not just sitting back and responding to the world around them. So let's talk about these 6 essentials to leading amidst change. Number 1 is being curious. You might be thinking, what in the world is this all about? Well, when change is happening, it is very helpful and powerful when leaders stay curious. This encourages teams to identify opportunities for incremental improvements and staying ahead of the curve, builds a mindset of continuous improvement, helps us to ask the right questions, and lastly, explore creative possibilities. And I think this is something that we're all after, especially in the rapidly changing environments that we all work and live. Old solutions don't always work, and so staying curious helps us explore those different possibilities. Number 2 is courage, right? It takes courage, it really does, to take calculated risks and to make difficult choices, even in the face of uncertainty or resistance. So having courage challenges the status quo, helps us to act despite fear and own the transformation process. Number 3 is communication. Talk a lot about this. Effective communication, as we all know, is the lifeblood of successful change management. But oftentimes we shrink back or we're a little bit slow to communicate. But I would I would encourage us all to be as generous as possible with your communications and information as possible through change and dealing with change. Because it helps articulate the vision, it explains the reasoning, and provides regular updates on progress. So important. Number 4 the fourth element of leading amidst change is staying consistent. The lack of consistency or inconsistency can lead to confusion, resistance, and a lack of confidence in the change process. Number 5 is coaching. We've done another whiteboard video on this topic. I would encourage you to check it out. But coaching helps navigate the emotional and psychological aspects of major shifts. Coaching helps develop mindset and resilience, fosters skills and competencies, and thirdly, coaching helps support, provide guidance and feedback to teams. And last but not least, we get to number 6, which is celebration. I love this, but it's oftentimes one of the most forgotten pieces of our work. And it's the opportunity to celebrate the good work or the accomplishments or the impact that our different organizations are happening. So what does this look like? Well, to celebrate, you're acknowledging milestones and achievements, even small wins, to boost morale, reinforce benefits, and maintain momentum. You can acknowledge hard work and contributions, ensure motivation in long-term initiatives, and provide a sense of accomplishment. So don't make work all about work. Take a moment to celebrate, and you will not just survive change, but you will have success amidst of change. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it with others. Thank you so much for participating, and happy strategizing.